Today we're doing a last minute PC build. Let's go. So the idea is to make this computer look nice. Her last one looked okay. It didn't look all that super amazing, and that's what she wants. So we're going to be putting some colorful fans in there, making it look good. It's going to look even better than mine. But I hope she at least likes it. Right now I'm on my way to her place. If you really want to know what we're working with and you really care about this sort of stuff, well, we're going to have a Ryzen 5 1600 processor, a average basic B350 motherboard. The only particular reason I picked that one is because it's black and white. An NZXT S340 Elite case in white, because the RGB is going to look nice reflecting off all that white interior. Some Corsair LL120 case fans, RGB, lights up. Other stuff don't matter, right? It's all about the aesthetic. That's what really matters. Aesthetic. Anyway, I'm almost there.
See, I kind of forgot to film the next part, so instead, please just enjoy the thing that's supposed to come after it, the PC building process. Let's get started. This is the final product. Putting the computer together was pretty fun, but also somewhat sweaty. And there's a reason why specific parts were chosen. It's all for the aesthetic. This isn't the last time you'll see this computer. That's primarily because I didn't take that many shots of it, and because this computer is also part of a big project that I'm planning in the latter half of this year. So stay tuned for that. It's gonna be a big project, and I'm not sure if I'm up to the task, honestly. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it interesting. I normally don't do videos like this, and maybe I should, maybe I shouldn't. But other than that, I think we're done for today. I'll see you guys next time.